Mr. Yogesh Kore, as a motivational speaker, author, educator, business consultant, and successful entrepreneur, Mr. Yogesh Kore dons many hats. Home Revise was founded by him to make studies easy, interesting, enjoyable, and memorable for school-going children. He's a motivator and sportsperson. He always encourages growth in people through constant learning and improvement in skills. Mr. Kore has done MBA in marketing from Velankar, Mumbai. He was university topper in HR subject. While working with Eklavya Prakashan as a general manager, he made the company expand from just 3 branches to 90 branches within a period of 2 years. Mr. Kore has worked in London for a few years. While doing some educational research in London and Switzerland, he found that education over there is different from India. So after coming back to India, he founded Real Academy with his wife Leena and started giving quality education to students. Home Revise was started as an e-learning company to make studies easy and interesting. It is a revolution in studies where students can learn with the help of animated audio visuals for Maharashtra board in English and Marathi medium as well as for CBSE board. More than 250,000 students are using Home Revise and it has 50 branches across Maharashtra. Mr. Kore has authored a Marathi book on parenting which has sold over 8,000 copies till now. He is a passionate trainer and his training video for marketing is more than 100 hours in duration. Along his professional journey, Mr. Kore learnt some basic principles which makes a company grow. To help other people benefit from his learning, he started a series of Corporate Coach. Corporate Coach is a series providing complete solutions related to a company's growth. We are hopeful and quite sure Mr. Kore will achieve many such milestones in the near future and be an inspiration for everyone.